Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to stop losing weight on keto. First, let's understand why your body might continue to shed pounds even when you don't want it to. Many people find the ketogenic diet highly effective for weight loss, but for those aiming for maintenance or muscle gain, it's crucial to adjust. We'll cover the key factors contributing to this, such as insufficient calorie intake and metabolic adaptation, and then dive into practical solutions to help you achieve your desired body composition. One primary reason you might still be losing weight on keto is a persistent caloric deficit. The high fat and protein content of ketogenic foods often leads to increased satiety, making it easy to unintentionally eat fewer calories than your body needs for maintenance. Your body has also become incredibly efficient at burning fat for fuel, meaning it might still be tapping into your stored fat reserves. Even a modest deficit of 300 to 500 calories daily can result in continued weight reduction. To halt weight loss, focus on strategically increasing your caloric intake. Incorporate more calorie-dense, keto-friendly foods like macadamia nuts, avocados, and fattier cuts of meat. Don't be afraid to increase your portion sizes, especially of healthy fats such as olive oil, butter, and coconut oil. Adding an extra meal or a high-calorie snack, like a fat bomb or a protein shake with added MCT oil, can easily boost your daily intake by 200 to 400 calories, helping you reach your maintenance goals. Monitoring and adjusting are key to successfully stopping weight loss. Track your food intake for a few days to get a clear picture of your current calorie and macronutrient consumption. Weigh yourself once or twice a week to observe trends, not just daily fluctuations. If you're still losing, incrementally add 100 to 200 calories per day, primarily from healthy fats, until your weight stabilizes. Pay attention to your body's hunger cues and energy levels. They are excellent indicators of whether you're adequately fueled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.